So what I'd like to do today is some more power washing. Try to get things cleaned up. I still need to remodel the tortoise enclosure. So I'd like to try to do that, and also get the get some of the roof on the house. I don't want to use any soaps or anything because I don't want that water coming down into my plants or the weeds or anything else that I would be wanting to take care of, and giving weeds to the critters, you know. Yeah, kind of overcast. Those are morning doves. But yeah, it's looking pretty pretty pale up here. So that's from the pine pollen. So we'll see how far I get on that, because I may actually want to start that first and get that done with. And then I've got some bricks to do, of course. Maybe I'll work on these bricks. Okay, so I'm not sure how I look, but that's okay. So I need to get a better nozzle for the power washer to be able to successfully get all the crud off from up there, or I'll just do a wet and forget thing, see if that works. But I wasn't able to get up very far. So, in the meanwhile, I washed this. I washed the brick up here around the front. I did that, you know, half of it. And then I did up along here. Did the brick going along here. Now remember, I think I once mentioned that this is where I think some water lines are in. Did up along there. I still need to do that, and I've done all up to there. I'm going to see if I've got the ambition to, I want to do the deck because I've got stuff set up over there, but then move the truck out and do the brick along there because it needs help. And all that's done without soap. So when everything is dry here, I'll just blow it, and I should be able to get that all picked up. It's easier to do when it's dry. So now we're going to try the deck and see all the yellow on the deck. So that I hope to make pretty. I've been shutting you off for that, but you know, yeah, why? You know, if you want to see me do more of this, actually see me do it, let me know. But I think you know what it looks like. So here I go to do more. So I think time got away from me. Okay. But I've done that part there. I've done the porch. We won't know what it all really looks like until it's dry, but this part through here is dry. That's dry there. It's dry there. But there was a huge pile of yellow stuff. And you could probably tell on the roof over there. So maybe I did get some of it off. So I'll get that later. Maybe. Well, I was going to move the truck up and do the part along the truck, but I may wait. I did do half the deck. I did do half the deck. But it's 7 o'clock, so I guess I should probably stop for the evening. So yeah. Probably almost tell before and after, especially once it's dry. But so I'm gonna call it a night for now, I guess. I got eggs to collect too, so. Alright. I'm sure there'll be more. I'll get you I would like to come back at it tomorrow, because I still haven't done what I really wanted to do, because I still have some brick path each all around the office building. I did do this, which was kind of where I left off the last time. So yeah, I got all that area that's got the green stuff over there. Alright, more later. Okay, I lied, I did a little bit more. So I did this wall through here, and I think on my last clip, I've got a good before shot of that, because it was all moss. So, you see where I left off there. And I did come through with the blower too, and through some of the debris. And then as this stuff dries, it'll blow well. See, I've got dog peeing over there. So I did this, you can tell where I left off. The cordwood reach. So I also have to do all that side, so I did not do that. So I'll be using that spigot for this section. And I'd like to do that, but I may do some of it. But over time, I'll have it all done. Ignore the roof, but here's what I've got so far.